Okay, hello my dear student. Now we will make a revision on Unit 1 Algebra, October exam, grade 7. Okay, let's start. Now this is grade 7 Algebra. Firstly, Z and Q. Z, it's integers number, and Q, it's irrational number. Now we have two sets, so we're gonna be to put subset. Absolute, so we will eating a negative. Absolute, only eating a negative. Now we have 3 over 2 and 1 over 2, so 3 over 2, it will be more than. X over y equal 1, so it's mean equal. X over y equal 1, which is mean the two are equal. So if I make 2x minus 2y, so it will be 0. Again, now if I have x over y equal 1, which is mean x equal y. If I have two numbers are equal, and we're gonna be to make minus, so the answer it will be 0. 2 over 5 equal 12. 2 over 5x equal 12. Now we need to find the 1x. How can find the 1x? By making a divide. We're gonna be any numbers beside the x or coefficient to x, we're gonna be to make a divide to the other side. Then x equal 12. This is divide, so it will be 5 over 2. 12 divided by 5 equal 6, by 5 equal 30. So 1x equal 30. 1x equal 30. Now we need to 3 over 5 from the 30. Okay, 30 divided by 5 equals 6, 3 by 6 equal 18. Again, if I have any number opposite to the x, we're gonna be to make a divide to the other side. 12 divide 2 over 5, 12 still without any change. Divide, it will be multiply 2 over 5, get 5 over 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, 6 by 5, 30. So it's 1x. But I want 3 over 5x, so we're gonna be to substitution by x equal 30, then it will be 18. Rational number x minus 3 over 5 minus x equals 0. I said, if I have a fraction equal 0, so look at up. If I have a fraction equal 0, look at up. And get the additive inverse to the number. This is negative 3, so the answer it will be 3. By the same way, x minus 2 over x minus 5, it's belong to Q. X not equal, I said, if I see x not equal, so look down. Look down, this is negative 5, so it will be 5. Then the answer 5. Again, if I have equal 0, fraction equal 0, look at up and get the additive inverse. And x not equal, look at down and get the additive inverse also. Now 1 minus 40%. 1, which is mean 100%. Minus 40%, so it will be 60%. Absolute, we will eating negative. So this is 7, then x or k, 7 or negative 7. Now, how can find the answer? By multiplying equal 1. Each number and the multiplicative inverse, it will be 1. 2 and 1 over 5 must be converted from mixed number to the fraction. 2 by 5, 10, 10 by 1, 11 over 5. Now we need to find the multiplicative inverse to get 1. 11 over 5, so 5 over 11. Each 2 multiplicative inverse get 1. If now if 4 over x is the rational number, then x not equal 0. Not equal, look at down. There is positive or negative, so it's equal 0. How can convert from the fraction to the decimal number? By multiplying 100%. If I have any fraction and we need to convert it to the percentage, only we're gonna be to make 100%. So the answer it will be 80%. The additive inverse of number 0 is 0. The additive inverse to the 0, it will be 0. If the rational number k plus 5 hasn't multiplicative inverse, the only number hasn't multiplicative inverse is 0. So k, it will be negative 5 to get 0. The multiplicative inverse, if I see the multiplicative inverse, so we're gonna be to make a flip. So negative 2 over 5. Again, multiplicative inverse, so we're gonna be to make a flip. Additive inverse to the bracket to the power 0. Any bracket to the power 0 equal 1. Again, any brackets to power 0 equal 1. And now we need to find the additive inverse to the 1. Additive inverse to the 1, it will be negative 1. Don't forget that. Additive identity 0. Multiplicative identity 1. Additive identity 0. Multiplicative identity 1. And if I have two additive inverse, the sum of them equals 0, like this. If I have 3 over 5 plus what to get 0? The additive inverse, so negative 3 over 5. Now we have negative 1 over 4 plus what to get 0 equal, this is negative, so it will be positive. And each two multiplicative inverse equal 1, like this. 3 over 4 multiplied by what to get 1. The multiplicative 3 over 4, it will be 4 over 3. 5 multiplied by what to get 1. 5, which is mean 5 over 1, so the multiplicative inverse 1 over 5. Now if I have 4 multiplied by what to get 1, 4, it means 4 over 5, so it will be 1 over 4. Thank you for listening.